Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have a Rustic Christmas kit that I want to do a video on. I think it's called Rustic Christmas or something like that on my Etsy store and my Ko-fi store. They are on special on both. That is a 25% discount on it, and if you want just the JPEG version, you can get it at either my Etsy or my Ko-fi store. But if you want the JPEG and the PDF version, that is only available in my Ko-fi store. Okay, so it is 29 pages. It's got 10 main pages, 8 background pages, and 11 ephemera pages. And in the 11 ephemera pages, there are 2 small or mini projects in it. Okay, and I'll explain that to you right now when I get to it. Okay, so let's see what we have. So I kept it neutral, as you can see. For the most part, I kept it neutral. So there's lovely muted, well, not muted, but more neutral images here. So that's the first part of the kit, the main pages. Here I just added a little bit of color to it, but still very neutral, very muted colors to it. Okay, brought in our beautiful animals here and birds. Okay, so that's the third one to it. The 4th page over here. Okay, sure, this kit is beautiful. The 5th page. This is the 5th page. The 6th one gave you a little bit of journaling space here if you need it. Okay. And number 7, also a lot of journaling space here now, because I'm liking adding some journaling space on the main pages as well. Number 9, here's a journaling space here in the form of an angel with a trumpet. Okay, and then sorry, if that was 8, this is 9. So you've got lots of journal space here on number 9, and then same goes for number 10. Lots of journaling space on number 10 as well. Okay, so those are your main pages. Then got a beautiful neutral background page over here. Loving this page here. Okay, and then another page. Now this is very similar to some of the 1 or 2 of the pages in the main kit. Okay, and then really soft colors over here on the baubles and fur and stuff like that. And then I think if I look at it, should I put it in order? This here, right? This one here is that version there, but this is the lighter version, and that's the darker version of it. Okay, oopsie. And then just a little bit more here in terms of, you know, your fur, your like snowflakes, pretty page, some Christmas trees over here. Okay, and then just a lovely page over here. You can choose to use it as a background page, you can choose to use it as a journal page, or a big, you know, journaling cards. So thought I'll give you that, and you can choose what to do with it. And then I just gave you one of these over here should you need like a ticking page. Okay, so these are your journal cards or your tags. So I've got 6 tags, 3 in this shape here, and then 3 in the shape over here. Okay, then you've got your 4 journal cards, but you don't have to use them as journal cards. 2 portrait and 2 landscape. I think I got that right. Yeah, and you've got your pockets, 4 pockets over here, centers and sides. Okay, so this is one of the mini projects. You see that there's no word over here, but I did put a word over here. I think it was chia because I printed out before I actually put it on Etsy or Ko-fi, and then I realized there was nothing there, so I went back and I added it there. So that's number one. And how it works is you've got these 1, 2, so that's the other page. So this is a pocket that folds, and then you've got 1, 2, and the third tabbed card that fit into that pocket. Okay, so that's that one there, and you've got your circles over here. You've got some words over there, more circles, tags, and then you've got a postcard here and another beautiful tag there. So then you've got 2 envelopes like that, your bingo card, and you've got a little bit of clocks over there, and a beautiful petal card over here. And let's see what else. So this is your second project. You've got your labels, because you know I love labels. Your second project, it's a fold over pocket card, and I think you'll see the construction video on Friday, freebie number 13, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, and these are your fold over pocket inserts. So if you look at it, this pocket folds over, this comes and meets that one, and that just goes over it. So the smaller tag will go in this pocket, and the bigger tag goes in between these as the pocket. Okay, so that's basically that many projects over there. Those are the ones. Okay, so I do hope that you like it, and I do hope that you will go over to my Etsy and purchase it, because it is beautiful, beautiful. I thought I'll do something a little bit different with my Christmas kits this year. And if you saw the one that I just released, very, very, very vintage. Okay, so more the darker colors in it rather than the lighter the vibrant colors in it. And then this one is the muted one. Okay, so try to spice it up a little bit and give you something different every year, because you can always, if you want vibrant, you can always go back to last year's kit and then print out the vibrant one, the reds and greens and stuff like that on that one. And then I had a pink and a gray one as well. So trying to just make sure that you have a variety of Christmas kits to choose from in my Etsy and Ko-fi shops. And then there's I think 2 or 3 others, if I'm not mistaken, as well. So thanks so much for taking a look, and I'll pop the links below that you can use in order to get your kit at a 25% discount. And the whole shops, both the Etsy and the Ko-fi shops, are going to have specials running right up until the 1st of January. Okay, and then I might just extend it on my Ko-fi shop. I'm not sure, depending on what new additions I have to my Ko-fi shop. Okay, so that's it, ladies and gents, and I do hope that you have a blessed week. Bye bye.